Hi guys, have you ever went to the store or online or anywhere to buy just one simple thing and end up with this? Yeah, me neither. So yeah, I went to Estée Lauder website to just get advanced night repair serum, and I ended up with a box full of stuff, and it just came into the mail, so I wanted to show you what I got. This there's a lot of stuff. I will try to speed up the process, but it might have to be a two parts series kind of thing. So sorry about that. But let's start first with gift with purchase things. I got this is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money, just to mention that in advance. I got Aryan Mediterranean honeysuckle perfume sample of perfume. I got Estée Lauder Perfectionist Pro Regard. Oh, I can talk today. Rapid brightening treatment, ferment plus vitamin C. That sounds very good. I love Estée Lauder products. I think they are totally amazing. So this is the bottle. It's 30 milliliters, which I think it's really generous and nice. Another thing gift with purchase is this pouch with lots of little goodies. They are perfect for traveling. I took everything from the package just to speed up the process. First thing I got sumptuous extreme lash multiplying volume mascara. I think it's amazing. Next thing I got Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. Very nice. Estee Lauder Nice Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Oops. Estee Lauder Micro Essence. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. And Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. And that's it for that pouch. All the things that I actually bought are really nicely packaged, so if you need last minute Christmas gift ideas, maybe this can give you some idea for the presents for someone in your life. But the first thing that I bought is this small samples of perfumes. I just need a new perfume. Well, I have a lot, but I wanted some new scents. And the only other perfume from Estee Lauder that I tried is Mother Muse, which I really like. So I said, why not? Like, they're small bottles. If I don't like them, it's not a huge waste. But yeah, so we got beautiful Eau de Parfum mini spray, beautiful magnolia Eau de Parfum, or whatever it's pronounced, mini spray, pleasures, and bronze goddess. And I think they are amazing. Let me show you the size of the bottles. I'll just pick one. Oops, I'm dropping everything. Lost the So I think this will be nice to just test it out and see which one do I like, or maybe I don't like any of them. We'll see. Next thing, some moisturizer. Estee Lauder 24/7 Magic Routine. Lift plus Firm plus Glow. Revitalizing Supreme Night and Day Cream. I need moisturizers. I mean, not that I need, but I mean, I'm a girl. I always need a moisturizer. So these are the creams. I used both of them before, and I really like them. That's why I bought, obviously. So yeah, and the last thing, I got this. Yeah, I know. It's beautiful velvet jewelry makeup bag. I think it's beautiful. So, and has two levels or drawers. So let's see what's in first. The first thing are two full-size lipstick. Before I said this, I don't know if I mentioned, this is the beauty bag is $115 with other purchases. I don't know what the limit was. You can buy it, I think, separately, but it's a little bit more. But I think it's worth, because majority of things are full-size products. So there are two lipsticks. Oh, nice color. Really, really, really nice color. Let me swatch this for you. Ooh, nice. Oop. Really nice. This one is called Red Velvet. And this shade is called Strictly Confidential. Next thing that we have, oh nice, is full-size mascara. Sumptuous Extreme. I showed you the that's a nice brush. The small sample. And two, the lip gloss and liquid liner. Oh, liner. Lip gloss. So let me show you how they look. Nice shade. I make a mess. Liquid lipstick is called Pure Persuasion. And the lip gloss is called Beneath the Shine. Very appropriate. And last thing in the first drawer is this eyeshadow palette. I love the colors. I love neutral palettes, and I think these are so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so let's open the second drawer. Oops. Ooh, nice. So first thing in the second drawer is Advanced Night Cleansing Gel with 15 amino acids. I never tried this one, so I can't wait to test it out. The thing that started the whole story is Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complexion Serum. Renutritive Intensive Smoothing Hand Cream. Perfect size for your handbag. Next thing is Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. And the last but not least in this impromptu haul is Estée Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Cream. So yeah, that is all for this haul. Don't be like me and impulse shop, but this is it. Thank you for watching, and leave me a comment if you need more explanation about anything else and how do you like these things. So see you in the next video. Bye.